Hey yo, how you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification to be notified each time I post a video on my channel. And then watch till end. I have a very special thing for you. So in this video, we're talking about some errors that are being encountered while trying to establish a connection to the MySQL database with PHP. The errors you could be facing anytime. So this is just the basic HTML tags. I know you should know this by now. And I'll create a PHP. Let's create the PHP tag, opening tag and a closing tag. To connect to the database, I have a video that I will leave the link in the description. Go check it out. It will tell you basics and well explained steps on how to create and establish a connection through your PHP code with your database. So the link is in the description. Check it out. In this place, to connect to the database, so in this way, we'll just be checking the errors that we could encounter while creating the database. So firstly, to connect to the database server, to connect to the server, you need to connect to the host and the server name with the password and the actual database you want to connect to. So in this case, let's write the host name, the server name, the server password, and then the actual database that we'll be creating. So in this place, for local host, this XAMPP control, it will be localhost, and on many hosting platforms, the host name is always localhost, and then the server name of this XAMPP is root, the password is empty, and then the database that we'll be creating in this case is not in this place. They will create a name test db. So check a video in the description. I will leave the link in the description. Check it out, how to create a database connection. So in this place, we should define this connection. This is the connection. Then run a code mysqli, the improved version of MySQL, because it is more secured than the MySQL itself. mysqli_connect. The first parameter that goes in here is the host name. The second one will be the server name. The third one will be the server password, and then the last one will be the database name that we're trying to create. Then I'll run this. Though we'll encounter an error while trying to check this, because the database in this place will return as false because it does not exist in this place. We don't have test db in this place. Test db, no, nothing like test db. We just have test. So con, then I will run this code. Die could not connect the database due to mysqli underscore error. So it will tell us where the error is coming from. Con connection, and save it out. I'll go back to the base, refresh the page. So we'll see so many errors being thrown. Then one thing that you have to put in your mind is that you have to be calm and then read through the errors So from there you get where the error is coming from. So we have warning mysqli underscore connect, which is this one. Unknown database test db. So it's telling us that the database that we are trying to connect to is an unknown database in XAMPP, then the patch name on line 15. So it's telling us, that's what I just like about PHP. It will tell you where the actual error is coming from. Then this one again says fatal error, uncaught type error, mysqli error. The argument must be of type mysql, but boolean given in, then it gave us. So what that means is that there was a false in this place. So it was the parameter that was given in here was true or false, and which is not supposed to be. It was supposed to be the actual connection. So this one returned as false, this one returned as true. So one of them returned as false, which is not supposed to be. And this mysql error, what parameter was given by this connection was a false connection. So this is the kind of error you could encounter. So to do this, to solve this error, I created a video, so you check the video in the link. So I'll still do the same thing here, so that you solve the error establishing a connection. If I remove this password, this database name, the connection will be successful, but without a database, it will just connect to the server, else echo connected to the server. It will just connect to the server without the database. So it has connected to the server. We have connected this PHP code to the server. So to do that, we have to create a database in this case. So then we change the value of this. So the video is in the description. Do well to watch it, because what this video is about is just to solve the error establishing a connection. But I'll just do a little from this. So if the connection does not fail, then we'll create a table, a database equals to create database if not exists. Test the database name that we have up here, this one, test db. So it will check, or don't let me, I won't create this. I will use this keyword so that an error should be thrown. Then I would underscore query to connect the server to the database. Then if new con if new con failed, then it will say, it will die, then stop the script from running, and then echo the problem, else, then else echo connected to the database, or any kind of thing that you want to put in there, doesn't matter. Come over here. So connected to database. If I try to refresh it again, we will get another error. You see what I'm trying to say? I refreshed it again. It said could not connect the database. So it threw an error in this place. It said could not connect the database due to cannot create database test db. Test, that is, the database already exists. So to solve this problem, we just need to use one keyword in this place, which is if not exist. So this is the keyword that will check if this database already exists. So if it does not exist, it will create it, but if it exists, it will just do nothing. So I will delete the database, refresh this page, delete the test db that I created up here, privilege operation, drop the database. If I come over here, so the database does not exist in this place, then it will just run this, create the database, run the new connection, connected. So connected to the database already exists. The reason why I ran into the error was because this S was missing. I'll go back here, delete the database. No, not test. I'm not using test. Test db operation, then delete the database, reload the page, connected to the database, so no error is thrown again because this one has solved that problem. So it will check if not exist. If the database exists before, it won't do anything, but if it does not exist, so it's just telling that if create database if not exist based on this condition. So I hope you find this video helpful and I hope it solved your problem. So if you got values, please turn on the post notification, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with friends that you feel this video would help. So stay tuned and follow up with me in my upcoming video.